Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your username on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Sweatcoin application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your account, and once you are in to the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your name's initial at the top left. This will then open up your Insights menu. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right, and then you will come across this interface from where you can change your username. Tap on the username option and then go ahead and enter the new username you'd like to change to for your account. After you are done with it, tap on Save Changes at the bottom and you have successfully changed your username on Sweatcoin. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.